Hello, everybody. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Gina, and this is
Rachel and Gina Nail It.
We'll work on it.
This is where we talk about an at-home nail solution called Color Street Nail Strips that anybody can use.
Listen, we're all stuck at home right now, especially my lazy son, Nikki, who won't get out of bed. Well, except for our amazing healthcare personnel, first responders, and essential workers.
Like my husband, Morty.
He's a proctologist.
Somebody's got to do it. Anyway, while we're all stuck at home, we still want to look our best, right?
Right, and we can show you how your nails can still look fabulous. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
Trust me, you don't want to miss a deal.
Oh, Rachel, cool it with the winking. You're scaring people. Like we always say.
Love your nails.
Love your nails. Love your nails.
Love your nails.
We'll work on it.